welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome if you're new and you're joining me for the first time. My name's Tara and I post makeup tutorials and things like that here on my channel. So if that's something that tickles your fancy and you feel like sticking around, then please by all means hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell and join the family. We are a lovely family here on this channel. So in today's video guys, I'm super excited to tell you that I am collabing with some beautiful ladies. There are about 10 of us in this collaboration, and the ladies that I'm collaborating with are Aforma by Aforma O, Ariel, always Ariel, Brianna, Purple, Pink and Red, Candice Hampton, Rachel Ray Young, Pixie Ray MUA, Shelley Salaka, I think that's how you say your name, I'm so sorry if it's not, Tiffany, TJ Marks BB. So I'm collaborating with all those lovely ladies. I will leave their links to their videos down below and their channel. So I've gone for beautiful butterfly eyes. I've done butterflies on the face, love hearts, pop glitter on it, and this is where we are. So if you would like to see that, without further ado, enjoy the video. So jumping straight into it guys, I'm going to first start off with a bit of skincare. So I'm going to use this Nip and Fab Hydrate. So this is a hydrating facial mist. And then I'm going to go in with a vitamin C illuminating day cream. Going in with my P. Louise base just to carve out the brows and prepare the lids for eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using this. I thought this will be ideal to use in this video. This is my Revolution Hearts palette and it is just the cutest thing ever. So this is so cute, it's full of love hearts, it's part of the theme. So I just thought, let's use it in this video. I'm going to go into this pink shade called Going Steady. And I'm just going to pop that all into the crease, and I'm just going to stamp that into the crease to start with. We're going to dip into this hotter pink, which is called Hot Date, and we're just going to go straight on top of that first colour just to build that intensity of the pink. Take this shade called Emotions, and it's a nice purple colour. It is shimmery, and I'm going to pop that on the outer corners of the eye. The P. Louise, and I'm just going to cut to the crease because that's my favourite thing to do. On the lid, I'm going to go in with this nice little yellow shade, and it's called Beat, and I'm taking a 234 Jessup Smoky Shader brush, and I'm just going to pat that all over where we've just cut the crease, just to brighten it up a little bit. I don't think that shade's actually working. I'm just going to carry on with that shade. I'm going to take this shade down here, which is a shimmery white shade, and it's called Sweet Nothings, and I'm just going to try and salvage that and pop that on top. I think I'm going to go back into that Emotions, which is the glittery purple, and pop that back onto the outer corner, because I think we've lost a little bit of that. I really wanted to do those butterfly wings that girls have been putting on Instagram and all like that. I will show you pictures, but I'm too nervous, but I am going to try it today for the purpose of this video. And it's just a liquid eyeliner pen, so wish me luck. So I'm not going to be able to talk through this, so you've not come here to learn anything, but I'm going to show you how I would do it. So it's just basically watch what I'm doing and hope for the best, basically. Now I've got to that part, I'm going to make it a little bit thicker, so I can put like the white dots on in between. My heart's racing, like I don't know why, but it's just racing. So we've got to this point. Now I'm going to bring probably 2 little draggy things down. I really don't know how to explain things. So I'm just going to do like a little V. Colour that in. And then just bring a line down. And then probably one about here. And then bring that line down. I might just do one here as well. So using the NYX liquid white eyeliner, I'm going to do some highlights on the butterfly wing. Oh, I'm so happy with that. Oh my god, I'm really happy with that. That has turned out really, really good. Oh, now just to try and do it on the other eye, I suppose. So before I go on to the other eye, I am gonna pop these crazy lashes on. I saw them in the Poundland and they're just pink glitter fake lashes, and I just thought they'd be absolutely amazing for this video. So I'm just going to put some glue on them. So this is the eyes all done with crazy lashes on. I had to cut the lashes into little strips to actually get them on because they were just a nightmare. But I'm super happy with how the butterfly wings have come out. So I'm going to zoom you guys out and we're going to concentrate on the face. So for the face, I have got some butterfly stickers and some love heart stickers. So before I put on foundation and everything, I'm going to put some stickers on my face and hopefully it's going to look good. But I just can't get over how I've done the butterfly eyes. I'm super happy with that. So yeah, let's get on to putting some stickers onto my face for starters. So I'm going to start off with a few butterfly ones. Oh, I look crazy right now. I'll probably give these to my 2 nieces, Casey and Esme. So Hi girls, if you're watching, Auntie Tara loves you so, so much. Foundation of choice, I'm going to be using the Max Factor foundation. This is the Lasting Perfection Touch Proof foundation and I'm using it in 120. And I'm just going to use my Real Techniques sponge, so I'm just going to apply foundation all over my face. I'm going to attempt to put some concealer under the eyes and in the usual places, so I'm going to use the the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. This is a new concealer from Revolution and today's the first time I'm going to use it. Set that with some Poundland powder. I'm going to attempt to do a little bit of contour or bronzing, and I'm going to use my City Bronzer from Maybelline with my BH Cosmetics number 2 brush. So the blush that I'm going to use is this one from Obsessions. It's the one that's like on the floor now, hopefully not broke. So it's not broke. So yeah, I'm going to be using this. Let's take the sticker off. I'm going to take the pink blush and pop that under the eyes. And I'm taking that on a smoky shader brush. Now let's get even crazier and put some glitter onto these love hearts and butterflies. I forgot what they were. And then for the lips, I'm going to pop on some Revolution Pout Balm Lip Balm. This is just the clear one. So this is just the clear one, and I'm just going to pop a little bit of that on. And then on top of that, I'm going to put some more glitter. I don't know how I'm going to get all this glitter off, but I'm absolutely loving being so creative. So I'm just going to pop some silver glitter. Oh, I love it. This is the final look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, then please, by all means, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the girls in the collaboration, the ladies that I'm in collaboration with this video with. Please show them some love. I will pop their videos in the down bar below. And until next time, stay beautiful, and I love you always.